Welcome everybody to Fire with Dr. Ninja Turtle. This is a bit of an unusual video for me. This is an unboxing of the Elise 1C Smart Body Scale. I bought this body scale at Walmart, not intending to buy it. It was $27.98, and I went in for toothpaste and vitamins. But I've needed a scale for a long time, and of course it was on the end of the aisle caps. And so we are doing an unboxing of this scale. And now that I'm walking 1 mile per day, and I've been doing that for over a month now, and I'm watching my A1C and my cholesterol, it's about time that I had a scale to see what my actual weight is. And so unboxing these things is a bit of a nightmare because I've never done an unboxing before. So now I'm just tearing the top of this thing just to try and get it out of here and show you this scale. What I'm hoping is that the scale comes with a battery. Now, what it shows here is that this scale is supposed to work with your cell phone, and I can download an app from the Apple Store. And so that's what we're going to try to do. But I want to see, this is just my unbiased opinion of an unboxing, to see if the batteries come with this, because I then will have to go back to the store just to get batteries for this thing, and I'll be all upset. So I want you all to see whether or not I'm upset with this unboxing, which is why we're doing this. So let's see. This scale is new, I tell you. This is it does all kinds of body mass and other different things. And so I don't know if there's a switch to turn on. Yes, it comes with batteries. There's some kind of a tab that I pull which allows the batteries to activate. So that part is good. And it is ready to Bluetooth to my phone. Well, everybody, welcome to the Renpho Body Mass Scale, which I will tell you just what things this thing has, but for $27.98, not bad, okay? And I needed a scale, so I went off script and bought something on impulse that I did not mean to buy, but it says 13 body composition metrics. It does weight, it does muscle mass, it does subcutaneous fat, it does visceral fat, body water, skeletal muscle, bone mass, protein mass, body fat, BMI, and fat-free mass, and also metabolic age and basal metabolic rate. Well, for $27, that's not bad. And this is much better than the Weight Watcher scale that I bought 20-something years ago that I no longer have. So thank you all for watching my unboxing of my new scale, and the fact that I went off script and bought something at Walmart that I should not have bought during my debt paydown. Remember, never let your past determine your future.